Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our Google Play Store showing this error message of your device isn't compatible with this version. So for that you need to open up your Play Store, and then we will check whether our Play Store is up to date or not. So for that we will just click on our profile on the top right corner, and after that click on settings, and then click on about section, and after that scroll down and you will be able to see this option of update Play Store. Just make sure that your Play Store is up to date, and after that you can just restart it and check whether it is working or not. And if it is still not working, then you can just go to your phone settings, and after opening up your phone settings just scroll down and go to your app settings, and after that click on manage apps, then search for Google Play Store and just open up Google Play Store, and here click on storage. After that click on clear data and clear all the data and cache memory, and all your errors or the bugs should be deleted after clearing up data and cache memory, and just restart your Google Play Store and it should work fine. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.